Have you ever had one of these LED lamps burn out on you? Well, if you have, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, get yourself a hacksaw and cut the globe off the top. So now I have the top removed, and you can see the array of LEDs inside here. Now I'm going to test the ballast. See in the middle, those two wires that come up from below to the LED array? I'm going to stick a 120 volt 5-watt bulb across, and it should flicker. Lo and behold, it does flicker on and off. That tells me that the ballast is good. It's hard to see here, but one of the LEDs has got a black spot in the middle. That suggests to me that it's blown, it's no good. So I'll take my needle nose pliers and completely remove that LED. Just pull it right off the board. With it removed now, I'm going to take my soldering gun and solder it all up. There. So now I got a nice bead of solder in there where the LED once was. So I'm going to try it out now. Okay, here goes. Drum roll, please. Jeez, look at that. The thing works like a charm. Amazing. Because of the way this lamp has been modified, I don't know how safe it is for indoor use. There's always a risk it could catch fire. Hey, it works just fine for an outside light. I think that's where I'm going to put it.